ARDA is a technological organization established by Sohmaldi and Jan Kreska, working around the use of drones in service delivery for organizations including the health system. In collaboration with the Ministry of Health, Gambia Red Cross Society, and the Medical Research Institute, MRC, is set to launch a 5-week pilot program on medical drone delivery in 11 health centers, including a South District hospital. Having licensed by the Ministry of Interior, ARDA is ready to transform access to healthcare in the West Coast and North Bank regions.
The really key thing here is for the health teams here, the ones who currently run the medical supply chains, to have full control of their supply chain and maintain that control. That's incredibly important for us. We don't want to be, two people coming in from the US or Europe and saying, right, we're going to operate this new delivery for you. We want drones to simply be another vehicle within the existing vehicle fleets. And this way, the experts, the public health experts, and the teams at the health centers can operate the deliveries themselves and unleash the full potential and full impact of drones. We've seen drones have massive impact across Africa and indeed across the world, and they can unleash that potential themselves in a really practical and transformative way.
According to Jan Kreska, a practical demonstration has started in some health centers and Red Cross volunteers to ascertain effectiveness and efficiency in transportation of medicaments from one distribution center to another.
The platform that we're centralizing these operations about mean that if I was to give you the iPad or phone with the app now, or if you were to download it on your phone or device, you would be able to launch and operate a drone delivery network within a matter of minutes. The key here is making drone delivery automated at the single tap of a button and making it as simple as sending an email, posting something on social media, really making it as simple as all of these things. So it doesn't take someone with high tech or an expert or someone with isolated and specialized knowledge to operate this.
Red Cross, as a humanitarian organization, is committed to enhance emergency response across the country. Secretary General Alassane Senghor confirms.
The International Federation of Red Cross has a kind of an agreement with Land Rover. And in some disaster situation, Land Rover has built a vehicle with drone landing sites and so on. So the vehicle can be driven to the disaster, closer to the disaster site. And then the drones are released to really do surveys and assessments and bring back information.
Research revealed that about 2 billion people live beyond the reach of global health system, and drones are now seen to be the inevitable solution. However, its uses may be a security threat since there is no legislation guarding the sector, according to security members. The Assistant Director of Health Services, Dr. Fatoumata Diba, believes that the introduction of drones in the supply chain would be cost-effective and improve access to healthcare.
We know that now technology is the order of the day, and we are excited to listen to what they have for us because the whole aim is to make sure that we get the health products to the end user, wherever they may be found. And we can see in the room that we have different stakeholders who play an important role.
One of the outcomes of the meeting is to find ways to improve the drone services in finding solutions to the problems of supply chain system in the health sector. Usman Mane, GRTS.